What's going on, folks? Ps-X5, kind of sitting over top of this with my tripod. Sony turntable, original head shell here. The issue right off the bat is the needle. It's going to need a new needle, and you just pull that right off of there like that, and then there's really nothing left on that thing. So just kidding. I'll figure out how to put that back on. Anyways, repeat, start, stop, power. We go over here. Get that little glow right there. There it is. You got a couple different speeds, 33 and 45. You got the 45 adapter right here. Anti-skidding mechanism in the back. Counterweight, all that good stuff. We were using this as our test turntable for whenever we're testing like audio, stereo receivers, Sansui, Marantz, all that kind of stuff, just to make sure that the phono part worked. Sometimes those don't work, so you got to test everything. Lid itself looks pretty good. There, I say that, and then there's this, right? So there is that, and there is this on the back. There's like some scuffiness. I don't know what happened there, but overall pretty good. I would just take some isopropyl alcohol and just hit that with a little, with a little rag, clean it up. It's also another little scuffy mark over here on this side. Again, don't know. We got the second hand at auction, so and I had to make an adjustment on the, I use something else to use as a test. The other head shell I have is definitely not made for it. It weighs about twice as much as this one, and the counterweight is not strong enough to keep it up. Like when it tries to move over, when it moves the whole tone arm over, it just literally drags it across the record, because even with the counterweight all the way to the back, it doesn't work. Made in Japan with this one. Like I said, comes with a box, has these really nice durable feet. Look at these feet on here. This is a nice little system, man. This is I would say, I don't know, it was probably like $600 new or so. Hi-Fi Engine would know that, right? So let's go ahead and put the needle back on. I'm going to play it up, spin it up. We've already cleaned up our Kate Bush CD. I tried to deox it a little bit on this. Maybe I was like, hey, maybe, there's just some crud in there that's causing some interference. Alas, it's the actual needle. So there we go. Slide that back on there like that. Pretty easy to do. We're going to put a record on first before we do anything. We got Kate Bush on the 1s and 2s. Start. Let's watch this thing come over. There it is, nice and smooth. Oh, it sounds so lovely. Oh man, it's not even moving. Let's just kind of move this back a little bit. Trying to adjust it, kind of wait a little bit. Right now it's just kind of bouncing, so it tells me that it's not. Repeating. 5. Wow. Hey, let's do a quarter. Be crazy if the copyright censors didn't pick this up, because it sounds so bad. Just trying to adjust the I think honestly it's too much weight. Yeah. It's 0.5. Hey. You're like, what the hell is going on? My cat's looking at me like, turn down this nonsense. Can't get it to make it sound any better. Let's get this out of here. So that's that. Find this in our store. Sorry about the length on this, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on how this works and everything else. I think this is our second video doing this. Again, I just picked up a Thorn, so I'm just trying to, I don't need a bunch of turntables laying around here. I try to keep one around for a test setup, and I just kind of rotate them out. I don't listen to enough vinyl at all. I don't have time. I'm literally constantly listening stuff here. Maybe by next year, I'm going to have a listening room. We're talking about moving all our inventory off-site to a storage unit and everything else. And so I might finally get a chance to have a listening room. My buddy just gave me his dad's. It's not a Herman Miller, but it's really similar to the Herman Miller style. That chair that's like all leather. It's dope as hell. It's so comfortable. Very sat in it. So I got that in my, once I get everything set up. I've got my Marantz downstairs. I'll probably put a Sansui in the listening room, and some nice, maybe some clips, KG4s or something. We'll see what happens. We'll see what I can get my hands on. So anyways, but for right now, we've got this. We're just in a freaking bedroom trying to get this stuff all tested up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm sorry for rambling. You can just cut off the last 5.5 minutes. Stop watching it because I'm just rambling about nonsense. And hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff.